my question is, right, Mauli, can you respond? Is .NET is the first software platform for Microsoft? Mauli?
Yes,
Yeah.
yeah, this is Modi.
Yeah,
It's
Mauli.
not the first.
Yeah. So
Are you
what
able to
else?
hear me?
I'm getting your voice. What else? What is .NET is not the first software platform for Microsoft, right?
That's right,
Which are
yes.
the core .NET what we have under Microsoft family?
We were having the Windows and also MS-DOS, all those. And as for the programming languages,
My question is, which is the first development platform for Microsoft? .NET is not first. So before that we have VB,
yeah,
C++,
Visual Basic.
yeah, and so on. So here the question is, already under Microsoft family, we have VB and Visual C++. If you have something else, why Microsoft has introduced .NET in the industry, that we are going to cover today as part of the history of .NET. Means, what are the challenges faced by the Microsoft to introduce .NET into the industry? So that we are going to discuss. Let me give you. So when the session is going on, you all the guys maintain pen and paper, and whatever important points are going on, just make it note on book. So that helps to connect to the session. And end of the session, if you will review also, today what we have discussed, suppose you maintain one book, so it's a second session, topic is history of .NET. So in that, now I'm not asking every point you have to record, just main points, heading, and main points you record on paper. So tomorrow when you will want to refer today's session, it will be good for you. As well as, don't worry, whatever .NET fundamentals, total we have .NET books, all these books will share you once you enroll for the course. Even though for .NET fundamentals material also, I'll share you within 1 or 2 days. Whatever we are going to cover 3 weeks program, also I'm maintaining a separate book. That material I'll share to each and every student. So you don't worry about the content what we are discussing. So you will get the material. But I'm asking you people to I'm asking you people to write short notes with your own hands to connect to the session. Right. So before before .NET before .NET uh, that is 1992 98 under Microsoft family we have three popular software platforms. Yeah, development platforms. Number one VB, Visual Basic. Number two VC++. Number three ASP. Coming to VB, VB stands for Visual Basic, VC++ stands for Visual C++, ASP stands for Active Server Pages. So here, yeah, before .NET, Shilpa, can you tell me before .NET what we have under Microsoft family? Shilpa. Yeah. Number one, VB. VB stands for Visual Basic, VC++ stands for Visual C++, and ASP stands for Active Server Pages. So, and one more small input to you guys. The people who are unable to display your name as attendee, just click on your waiting for name text. You click on that, it will open edit your name option. With that you can change your name. You can make your name to display. Okay, right. Now Ganesh, tell me, before .NET under Microsoft family we have three popular software platforms I said. Number one is what, Ganesh? Number one, you can respond. I'm addressing Ganesh, you can respond. Or Harika, can you? Right. VB stands for Harika. Yeah.
Yeah.
Vi-
We have VB, Visual Basics. Hello?
Visual C++. Yeah. Speak out. Yeah.
Yeah. Visual Basic, Visual C++, and ASP.
Very good. You can mute. Okay. Right.
Yeah.
So listen. Using guys, using VB and VC++, we can develop using VB and VC++. We can develop only Windows application. Only Windows application. Okay. Using ASP active server pages, we can develop only web applications. We can develop only web applications. So with this, even though using VB, VC++, we can develop only Windows applications. Using ASP, we can develop only web application. With this, it's going rocking in industry. At that time, these software platforms are very popular in IT industry. The period of 1990 to 98 up to 99 to also. Right. So, but even though there are some limitations are having all these things. Limitations are drawbacks. Limitations are number one, platform platform dependency. Platform dependency. Platform means operating system dependency. Means these these technologies will work only on these technologies technologies will work only on Windows OS. Windows OS. We cannot use Visual Basic and Visual C++ on other operating systems. That is called platform dependency. Okay. Number two, right? Not supporting to develop various types of software applications. Not supporting to develop various types of software application means this point is using VB and VC++, we can develop only we can develop only Windows applications. We can develop only Windows applications. We cannot develop web applications. Similarly, using ASP, we can develop only web applications. Only web applications. Using ASP, we can develop only web applications. This is the second limitation of this. Okay. So what are the limitations of this? Right. Now, now Karthik is there? Karthik, are you there? Can you respond?
Yeah, I'm
Yeah,
there.
yeah. Yeah. What are the limitations of this? Number one?
Platform
Number
dependency.
one? Yeah. What do you mean by platform dependency?
It can work only on the under the Windows operating system.
Which will
It cannot support other type of operating
yeah,
system.
VB, C++, and ASP, you can use on only Windows OS. And the second limitation is what? Not supporting to develop various types of software application means what?
Uh, it means VB and VC++ we can develop only Windows applications, and
Yeah,
we cannot
we cannot
using
develop a
a
web application with the help of VB and VC++. Second point is what?
uh, using ASP we can develop only web applications.
Web
Yeah.
applications. Right. Very good. Yeah. At the same time, so with all these limitations, it's going on. But at the same time, in the year 1995, Sun Micro System has introduced Java. So let's have a small information about Sun Microsystem. Sun Microsystem and Microsoft both are the competitors in IT industry. So they had identified all the limitations of Microsoft existing technologies. Microsoft existing technologies means VB and VC++ and ASP, and they are introduced a new software platform called Java without these limitations with some good features. Main important features of Java, number one is platform independency. Number one, independency. Platform independency means it will work only on, platform independence means Java will work on all operating systems. You can use on all operating systems. Number one, platform independency. Java is a platform independent technology. Number two is Java will support to develop various types of software applications. Means using Java we can develop Windows application, we can develop a web application, you can develop a web service, you can develop a mobile application and so on. So with these two are the main features of Java. With all these good features with the Java is a big hit in the industry. Slowly Microsoft existing technology users means VB people, VC++ and ASP people are attracting towards Java. So to overcome this situation, Microsoft has to do something. Due to that reason, in the year 1998, first time Microsoft has announced about .NET. They said that we are going to introduce a new software platform, that is .NET. First time they introduced or announced in the year 1998 in a meeting called PDC. In PDC, Microsoft has announced that we are going to introduce a new software platform called .NET. In this year, PDC stands for Professionals Developer Conference. PDC stands for Professional Developer Conference. So in PDC, in this meeting, in PDC, Microsoft announced about .NET few points. They told about .NET few points. Number one, what is going to be .NET? .NET will be platform independent technology. Platform independent technology means it will work on all operating systems. Number two, second they said .NET will support. First one they said .NET will be a platform independent technology. Second they said .NET will support to develop various types of software applications. They said .NET will support for various types of software application. Means using .NET you can develop a Windows application, you can develop a web application, you can develop a mobile application and so on. Number three, third point they said .NET will support for multiple programming languages. They said .NET will be supporting for multiple programming languages. So these three promises has announced by the Microsoft in a meeting called PDC. Okay, after that from 1998 to 2002. So around how many years? 4 years. Microsoft R&D team. R&D stands for Research and Development Team, has designed .NET. Finally, they have released They have released first version in the year 2002, that is nothing but .NET 1.0. In this way, .NET came into the industry. So this is a brief history about .NET. Here I have a question, guys. So history is required, histories are required, history of .NET is required or not required? Satya, tell me, history is required or not required? Yeah.
It's required.
Yeah. Will you use history is required, Satya?
Yes.
Hello? Yeah, where you will use history? Will you use history in programming? Will you use history in programming? No. Neerajana, tell me. So why history, Neeraja? Tell me. Remaining, all the people can respond through chat. Some of the people are responding chat very well. That is interaction is there. One person I'm targeting. Remaining people can interact through chat. History is required or not required? Neeraja. Yeah.
we
So
have to,
yeah.
we have to
Yeah.
know history, but we don't need any history in programming.
Nowhere we will use history in programming, but why still you need history? Because you are from .NET family. Tomorrow at the time of interview is going on. If anybody will raise the question, why Microsoft has released .NET, already they have VB, VC++, then you have to give a brief explanation. As part of you are from .NET family, you are going to work with .NET. So that is the reason you need minimum information about .NET. If you will go to Google and type history, you will get n number of articles. Due to that reason, mainly why .NET, what happened previously, and why they introduced this new platform. For that reason, you need history. Are you clear? Yeah, that's the reason we had a few points. Just total history I kept in main pinpoints. Just I kept in this explanation. Okay, guys, this is about history of .NET. Now we are going to brief about .NET, right? So brief history we had discussed. I'm giving a chance to you guys to give a small explanation. Before I'm giving chance, I'm repeating this history of .NET one by one, line by line. I'm going to explain in brief. Try to catch the points. Later I'll give the chance to the student to explain this topic. Let's say few 3-4 guys can join. First 10%, 1% can explain. Second 20% can explain by the second candidate. I'll transfer like that. Okay, let's, because it's purely theoretical part today what we are discussing. So once day after tomorrow like that we are entering into C#.NET, there you will get a lot of kick. See, theory always will be bored, no doubt, but we need to understand about this before entering into programming, especially to convince the interviewer at the time of interviews. It helps lot you guys, because tomorrow you are working for a company. In that company some Java guy raised a question why Microsoft has introduced .NET. Already you have a platform called VB and ASP. At least you should have few points to explain. So that is the reason I have given this explanation. Right, guys. Now let's understand about history. Let me repeat again. History of .NET. Before .NET, that is from 1992, 98, under Microsoft family, we have 3 software platforms. Number 1, Visual Basic. Number 2, Visual C++. Number 3, ASP. Using VB and VC++, we can develop only Windows applications. Using ASP stands for Active Server Pages, we can develop only web application. So these are software platforms we have under Microsoft family before .NET, but which are having some limitations. Number 1, platform dependency, means these technologies will work only on Windows operating system. Next, number 2, not supporting to develop various types of software applications, means using VB and VC++, we can develop only Windows applications. Using VB and VC++, we can develop only Windows applications. Using ASP, we can develop only web applications. That is called not supporting to develop various type of software application. Means here the point which you have to catch is using a single platform called either VB or VC++ or ASP. You cannot develop both type or various type of applications. One, VB/VC is sticking for only Windows of desktop application development, and ASP is stick to web application development. At the same time, in the year 1995, Sun Microsystem has introduced a new software platform called Java. And Java is a platform independent. The Java has a beautiful features. Number one, it is platform independency, means Java is a platform independent technology, means Java will work on all operating systems. Number two, Java will support to develop various types of software applications. Using Java, we can develop desktop application, you can develop web application, web services, and so on, mobile application also. To overcome this situation, in the year 1998, first time Microsoft has announced, because of all these good features, what happened? Slowly Microsoft existing technology people like VB people, VC++ people, and ASP people are attracting towards Java. To overcome this, Microsoft has announced first time about .NET in the year 1998. In the year 1998, Microsoft has uh, announced about .NET in a meeting called PDC. Here PDC stands for Professionals Developers Conference. In this meeting, Microsoft has announced that we are going to launch introducing a new software platform called .NET. In PDC, Microsoft has announced about .NET few points. Number one, they said about .NET, Babu, .NET will be a platform independent technology, means it will work on all operating systems. Second feature, these are the promises. It's going to be like this, it's going to be like that. .NET will support to develop various type of software application. They said using .NET you can develop desktop application called Windows application, you can develop web application, multi-user application, you can develop a web service, you can develop a mobile app, they said. And third, they announced that .NET will support for multi-programming languages, not only one programming language, it's going to support for multi-programming languages. From 1998 to 2002, Microsoft R&D team, R&D stands for Research and Development Team, has designed .NET. Finally, they have released first version. They have released first version, that is in the year 2002, that is .NET 1.0. In this way, .NET came into the industry. This is the first version of .NET. Okay, this is about brief history about .NET. So, yeah, who will explain? Who can explain?
Can I start?
I'm giving a chance. Yeah, sure. Who is this? What is your name?
Lakshmi.
Yeah, Lakshmi. Yeah, come on.
Yeah.
Remaining guys,
Yeah.
mute yourself. Yeah. I'll give a chance.
I want to explain how why .NET coming into the market. So first that Visual Basic and VC++, and we can develop only Windows application using Visual Plus VB and VC++, and we can develop only web application using ASP. And this is the two limitations are there. The platform dependency, these technologies will work only on Windows operating system.
Wait. Limitations will give chance to Manasa. Manasa, come on, you take it. Manasa, continue. Yeah, who are interested, you can respond through chat. I'll give chance to you. Manasa, come on, next.
Yeah, the limitations with .NET platform are that VB and
Not
VC++.
.NET platform, wait, Manasa.
Yeah.
Limitation for the existing before .NET, whatever we have, limitations for VB, VC++ and ASP. Number one.
First is VB and VC++ can be used only for Windows applications, and ASP can be.
No. Yeah, that is okay. Using ASP we can develop only web application. First limitation.
I don't hear you.
Yeah, tell me the first limitation. Platform dependency. Yeah. Manasa. Okay. Manasa, are you there? Okay. We'll give chance to the Kushbu. Kushbu, come on, carry on. First limitation is?
The first limitation is that it can be used only on Windows operating system.
That you can title as what? Platform dependency. That you can title as
Platform
dependency. What
dependent.
is platform dependency?
That it can be used only on Windows operating
One
system.
it is depending on single operating system called
Yeah,
Windows. So VB, VC++ and ASP will work only on Windows OS. Very
only.
good. Now
Yeah.
we give chance to the Kranti. Come on, Kranti. Come on. Second limitation.
Yes, the second
Kranti.
limitation is will not support. It will not supporting to develop various types of software applications using VB and VC++. We can develop only Windows apps. It will not support other applications.
Okay. Using ASP, we can develop
Using
only
ASP, we can develop the web apps.
web apps. Very good. Very good. Next, Sri. Right. Next, we'll give chance to some other person. Yeah. Now, yeah.
Super.
Yeah. Platform dependency means it will work on only single operating system. Right. Next, who can continue from here?
Right.
Same time. Yeah. Continue. Veena, continue. Anyone? Yeah. Yeah. Who can continue? Right. Nisha, you can start from here at the same time? Hello?
So this is Sudarshan. I can continue.
Yeah, continue, please.
So at the same time in 95, Sun Microsystem introduced Java, which was having advanced features like platform independency, which works on all operating systems.
Platform independence means?
Which works on all operating systems.
Okay, very good. Okay, next, yeah. Second one?
Second one, Java supports to develop various types of software applications.
Like?
It is software like web applications.
Windows application, web
Windows
application,
or web applications. Yeah.
And so on. Okay, so because of this what happened, Java became very popular. It was hit in the industry. So Microsoft existing technology users are attracting towards Java. What are the Microsoft existing technologies?
VB, VC++, and active server pages, ASP.
So these people are attracting towards Java. So what happened? Next, what happened?
So to overcome this kind of limitations, Microsoft announced in .NET about .NET in 1998 in a meeting called PDC, Professional Developers Conference.
Right, very good. Okay. Next, right.
Oh, you want me to continue? Okay. Yeah.
Now we'll give chance to others. We'll give chance to others. Who will take next part?
Yeah, I can take this is Kaushal.
Come on. Yeah.
So during that time frame, Microsoft announced couple of .NET features that will be promising feature for future. Considering that the one would be the .NET will be platform as an independent technology, which means all operating systems can work.
Will work on all operating systems. Yeah, continue. Right, next. Second point.
Okay. So second promising feature will be .NET will support all .NET will support develop all various software application. And third would be it will be supporting the multiple programming
languages. Okay. Last from 19. From 19.
You want me to continue, or you want to take some?
You continue. From 1998 to.
Okay. So from 1998 to 2002, Microsoft team actually they designed whatever they promised feature they designed in 1998 to 1992. 2002, and finally they came up with the first version of .NET, which is called .NET 1.0 in year 2002.
In year 2002, right? So this is about history of .NET. So tomorrow we are going to discuss about versions of .NET. So today we have covered.
Just I want to ask small question.
Wait. We'll do one thing. I'll give you a chance. What I'll do every day, generally the session will have 1 hour. Once technical session is completed, so who want to leave, you can leave. Next, I'll give a chance of 10 to 15 minutes time to question and answers. Okay, so there the people who want to ask the questions, you can wait and you can ask your concerns, all the things, technical questions or career related questions, everything. So and let me tell you few more points to all the people. This technical is over. Let me explain few points. Later I'll give a chance to question and answers. And yesterday I was unable to because I have other session. But today I'm giving a chance to you guys. You can ask all the questions about your doubts, technical doubts, and career plans. Everything. We will have a time for that. Wait. Let me explain one more thing. What I am telling you guys. First of all, see, as part of this training, this .NET Fundamentals course, what we are planning, it's a 3 weeks program. 3 weeks program. In 3 weeks, you will have 15 sessions. Totally 15 sessions. In 15 sessions, by today, 2 sessions are completed. Tomorrow, we will have 3rd session. Okay. Maybe with tomorrow or day after tomorrow, we will wind up with introduction to .NET. Next, we will enter into a programming language called C#.NET. C#.NET. So, actually, to become a .NET developer, first, whether you are developing web application, web service, or mobile application, to write the business logic, you need to learn a language called C#.NET. It is similar like C++. If you will combine both together, if you integrate, that is nothing but C#.NET. But when you are learning C#.NET, most of the people will feel that I should know C language, I should know C++, I should have a programming background, I should have a computer science background. For our training, you don't require. Coming 13 to 14 sessions of C#.NET, I'll cover just basic C#, basic C#. With that, I'll give you basic C#.NET. I'll cover it. Very basic, core level. There, I'll give you. I'll prove that you people with any background, you guys can write your own program. I'll prove in that 13 to 14 session. I'll show you the beauty of programming. And for this basic C#.NET, or next further continuation of C#.NET also, you don't require any programming background. The reason is we are going to start like C#.NET in very basic level. C basics I'll teach in C#.NET. C and C++ basics I'll teach in C#.NET. So that's the reason my student doesn't require any programming background. That I said yesterday, again I'm repeating. Okay. And once we started C#.NET, by that time you need .NET software in your machines. I'll give you a document, I'll give you a material how to install .NET from Microsoft website. We'll share a document to you guys, and with the help of the document, step-by-step document, step-by-step .NET installation document you will have. With the help of that, from Microsoft website, you can install .NET software into your machine with 30 minutes to 45 minutes. You don't require to worry about .NET installation. And regarding .NET installation, let's assume you have a technical problem. Our people will connect you guys through TeamViewer and will install .NET software into your machine, but you will not have that problem. Really, I'm telling you, the document which I am going to share to you will be like that, step by step. Visit www.microsoft.com and click this button, next, clear. Just if you will follow those navigations, I'm sure you can install .NET software. And once we are starting C#.NET, the day 1 onwards, the programming is going to start. So that's the reason every program, maybe 1 or 2 programs, first 1 or 2 programs I will write in system. Second, third program onwards, I'll give a chance to you guys to write the program. Either if you have Visual Studio, you can write in Visual Studio, or you can write on paper. And main highlight of our training is student is going to write the program, and second highlight is I'll train you in coding tracing technique. Tracing technique means if you write a 10 lines code, how the 10 lines code will execute, and the 10 lines code in memory, what it is doing exactly, how that data is storing, all these things. Okay, we are going to cover. So that is the reason I'm sure nowhere you will feel programming is tough. With this basic C#.NET, you will get an idea, yeah, coding is easy, and you will get that clarity. I'm sure with the 10 to 12 or 13 sessions of C#.NET, you will get comfort. And once you will enroll for the training, then I'll share you these materials, all my materials, my books. I said yesterday also, these books will share to you all. Who are going to enroll for the course will share full materials, and who are attending just fundamentals also, this fundamentals course also will prepare a short note, a notes up to what we are going to cover, like .NET fundamentals book. I'll share to you all within 2 to 3 days. You will get this book also. There you will have what we are discussing, what we are going to discuss. You'll have a book. Okay, so this is about that. And second thing, what I'm telling you, what I have observed, most of the people are taking a wrong decision after MS is completed. People will be hurry-burry, and people will have a wrong assumption. I'm from EC background, I'm from EEE background, I'm from some other civil background, so I don't have any computer science background. That's why I cannot learn .NET. It's 100% wrong assumption. I'm telling you. According to my knowledge, EC, EEE